today we are going to work on our listening skills. So everybody pull out this sheet of paper right now, and we're actually going to start with counting. So I'm going to count and end up with 10. What number am I going to end up with? Right, 10. So listen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Listen to the last numbers again. 8, 9, 10. Say those numbers with me. Get ready? 8, 9, 10. All right, say those numbers all by yourself. Get ready? Nice job saying 8, 9, 10. My turn again to count and end up with 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, everybody, let's all count and end up with the 10. Get ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again, let's count and end up with 10. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, now you're going to do it all by yourself. I want you to count every time I clap and end up with 10. Get ready. Nice job counting. Now listen, this time we're going to count and end with 7. What number will you end with? Right, 7. So we're going to count and end with 7. Get ready. Listen, this time I want you to count and end with 5. What number will you end up with? That's right, you're going to end with 5. Get ready. Nice counting again. All right, this time we're going to go back and count and end with 10. What number will you end with? Right, 10. All right, get ready. Nice job. This time I'm going to point to one of these numbers on the sides, and you're going to tell me what number it is. So think. What number is this? If you said 4, nice job. All right, next one, think. What number is this? Right, the number 6. Think. What number is this? It's 2. Doing great. All right, over here, think. What number is this? It's 4 again. All right, last one, think. What number is that? Yes, it's 6. If you got any of those wrong, then just pause the video and keep practicing. Now you're going to count my claps. My turn to count the claps. 1, 2, 3. How many times did I clap? Right, I clapped 3 times. Now it's your turn. You're going to count my claps. Get ready. How many times did I clap? If you said 3, good job. All right, now I'm going to clap 4 times. Count the claps. How many times did I clap? Right, I clapped 4 times. Now I'll clap 2 times. Count the claps. How many times did I clap? 2. Nice job. All right, now we're going to count and end with 10 again. What number will we end up with? Right, 10. All right, here we go. Count and end up with 10. Get ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, all by yourself. Count and end with 10. Get ready? Nice job. All right, now I'm going to count and you're going to tell me the next number. Listen. 1, 2, 3, 4. What's the next number? Think. What is it? If you said 5, good job. All right, listen again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What's the next number? Think. If you said 7, you're doing great. Listen again. 1, 2, 3. What's the next number? Think. Right, it's 4. All right, next one. 1, 2. What's the next number? Think. What is it? If you said 3, you're doing great. Next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What's the next number? Think. What is it? Good job saying 6. Here's the next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What's the next number? Think. What is it? I hope you said 8. All right, nice job. Now I'm going to count and you're going to tell me the next number. For some of the numbers, I'm not going to start at 1. So listen. 5, 6, 7. Think. What is the next number? 8. Good job. Here's another one. 2, 3, 4. Think. What's the answer? 5. Good. 4, 5, 6. Think. What's the answer? 7. 3, 4, 5. Think. What's the answer? 6. Very nice. Next one. 3, 4, 5. Think. What's the next number? 6. Good. 5, 6, 7. Think. What's the number? It's 8. Next one. 2, 3. Think. What's the next number? 4. 4, 5, 6. Think. What's the next number? It's 7. 2. What's the next number after 2? Think. If you said 3, good job. Next one. 2, 3, 4. Think. What's the next number? 5. Last one. 3, 4, 5. Think. What's the number? It's 6. All right, for the next part of the worksheet, we are going to start up here, touch the dog. Yes, we're going to be right here. Now, as you can see, there's a big ball. I want you to touch the big ball. Good. And there's a start of a circle right here. Do you see it? Well, we have to finish the circle just like this. Watch how I do it. I am going to stay on the dotted line, and then I'm going to continue around. I want you to do the same thing. Good job. Now we're going to come over here to this box, and we're going to do it again. So we're going to start, we're going to follow the dotted lines, and we're going to finish the circle around the big ball. Then we're going to come over here to the last one and do the same thing again. I'm going to get on the dotted line, and I'm going to circle the big ball again. If you can do all 3 of those, that would be great. I want you to do the exact same thing in the row of the alligator. So touch the alligator now. There it is. See, he's got the same kind of circles around the balls. I want you to go ahead and finish the circle around each ball. Well done. Now I want you to touch the bee right here. Good job. All right, what number is this? Think. That's a 2. Good. And what number is this? Think. That's a 4. Look, it's a pattern. What's the next number? 2. And the number after that is 4. And it keeps going. 2, 4, 2, 4. All right, we are going to trace these, and we have to stay on the line, just like a train stays on the track. So I want you to take a minute to trace the 2s and the 4s. Trace them all now. If you go off the line a little bit, that's okay. You just get your eraser and erase and do your very best work. I'm trying very hard to stay on the lines, just like you. All right, if you need more time, just pause the video. When you're finished in the row of the bee, I want you to go to the butterfly. Do you know what this is called? This is the equal sign. So we're going to go through, and just like the 2s and the 4s, we are going to trace the equal sign. An equal sign is what we use in our number sentence. And it's one line on top of the other, and both lines are the same length. They kind of float in the air. So these are pretty easy peasy. We're just tracing over these straight lines, staying on the line. Sometimes if we go too fast, we have to go back and erase. So still take your time. All right, when you're finished with that, I want you to look at this row with the bird. What number is this? Think. That's the number 6. So now we get to trace our 6s. These are a little trickier. So take your time. Keep your train on the track. It's a slant, and then he sits on that bottom line, and then he comes up and around. If you go off the track, that's okay. Just erase and try again. I bet you guys are doing great, and I can't wait to see your papers. A lot of you have very nice handwriting. Now, in this middle section, we have 2 different matching games. So this is one matching game. This is the other. And this is what you do. You find the first object here is what shape? Right, it's a square. So then we come over here to this column, and we have to find the matching shape. So if this is a square, we need to find the what? The square. So here it is. Do you see how there's a dot next to both of them? Well, we want to draw a line from this dot as straight as we can to that dot, because that's showing that it matches. Then we'll go down to the next item. What is this called? That's the equal symbol. That's right. So we're going to draw a line from this equal symbol, and then we have to find the equal symbol over here. Tell me when to stop. Stop. There it is. All right, so I'm going to draw a line as straight as I can from one dot to the other. And then I want you to continue to go through and find the matches from this side to this side, drawing lines as straight as possible from one dot to the other. Then you'll go to this section and do the exact same thing. Find the matches from this side to the matches over here. Very nice. All right, now let's look at this down here. This number in the box, this is basically our direction. So what number is this? This is a 6, and it's telling us to cross out all the 6s. So in this rectangle, you have to find all the 6s and only the 6s and cross them out. So let's see if we can find one. Oh, I found one right here. So I'm going to put an X over it. I don't need to put a box around it. That was just showing me that that's where the direction is. So we're just going to find all the 6s and cross them out. All right, good luck. You guys have been great listeners today. I really appreciate your taking your time and doing your best work. Okay, set those timers for 3 minutes. Let's see if you can get the whole sheet done this time. I know you can do it.